Today we are going to discuss about prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between noun or pronoun and some other words in a sentence. How? We have example here. Rashid lives in Dubai. So we have noun Rashid and we have another noun Dubai. Lives, we have verb here. In shows the relationship between where Rashid lives. Where he lives? He lives in Dubai. He works for a company. He, pronoun, works, verb, preposition, a company. That is a noun. So we use preposition to make a relationship between two words. Kinds of prepositions. There are three kinds of prepositions. Number one, preposition of place and direction. Number two, preposition of time and date. Then number three, we have preposition of travel and movement. Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time show the relationship of time between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. Some common prepositions of time are on, at, in, from, to, for, since, ago, before, till, until, by. These are the most common prepositions of time. On, at, in. These three are confusing for few students, so I have a detailed video about this. You can check out on my channel. Here we have few examples. He started working at 10 a.m. So he started working when. So the word that shows where and when is actually the preposition. And preposition of time, at. So he started working at 10 a.m. The company called meeting on 25th October. So as you can see, we are using on here. There is a holiday in December. He has been ill since Monday. Now here in all these sentences, 8, on, in. Make a triangle. The triangle will show you first put this one at the top, then on in the middle and in at last. So it will cover the small area like specific time, specific place or date, and then we have on, little bigger than 8. So on 25th October. Then we have in, that is a huge area. So here because in December, what time, what day is not mentioned, that's why we are using in here. So this is little difference. Prepositions of place and directions. Preposition of place show the relationship of place between the noun to the other parts of a sentence. On, at, in, by, from, to, toward, up, down, across, between, among, through, in front of, behind, above, over, under, below are the most common preposition of place and direction. For example, he is at home. Where is he? He is at home. He came from England. He came from where? From England. The police broke into the house. The police broke into the house, entered into the house. I live across the river. Now, across the river, across is a preposition. Prepositions of agents or things. Preposition of agents or things indicate casual relationship between noun and other parts of the sentence. These are of, for, by, with, about are the most used and common prepositions of agents or things. For example, this article is about smartphones. About what? About smartphones. Most of the guests have already left. Most of the guests or have already left. will always be here for you. For whom? For you. He is playing with his brother. With is a preposition, with his brother. Playing with whom? With his brother. I hope that you have learned today's lesson. This was only the short introduction of prepositions. I will make detailed video about each of the kinds in future, so stay tuned. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel.